SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Matt from Solve Your Tech. Today we're going to talk about how to turn on AirDrop on an iPhone 13. If you've ever had to share a lot of pictures or videos with someone who's nearby, then the AirDrop feature is a great way to do this. So let's jump into our video and see how you can enable this setting on your device. There's actually two different ways that you can turn on AirDrop on your iPhone 13, and we're going to go over both of those options in this video. The first method is to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. You can then tap and hold on the Wi-Fi icon, which brings up this menu. Then you can touch the AirDrop button, and then choose either the contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes option. Now you'll be able to send AirDrop files to other people, and you'll be able to receive them from other people. The next method for enabling AirDrop on your iPhone 13 involves the Settings app. So tap the Settings icon to open this menu. Scroll down and choose the General option. Tap the AirDrop button. Then choose either the Contacts Only or the Everyone for 10 minutes option.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.